Hi everyone. Now we'll see questions on ages. Guys, if you took any competitive exam, like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, all MNC companies will, you know, shoot you questions and based on ages. Okay, so ages is one of the most important section. They'll test you. Guys, ages is nothing but it's all equation. This is the application of simple equation kind of stuff. Okay, so ages is one of the important chapter. Okay, ages is what one of the important chapter. Okay, so before going to ages, we need to understand few terms here. Okay, few terms here. In the questions, they'll say 12 years ago. Ago means what here? Ago means always past. Okay, for example, 12 years ago, they say, let's say at present is x years. So 12 years ago must be what? X minus 12. And they are going to say that, after 10 years. What do you mean by after 10 years? Okay, after 10 years means, you need to add plus 10. So at present you are x. After 10 years must be, x plus 10. That's how, it's all about, making an equation. After reading the question, you have to make your equation. Once you done with your equation, your job is done. So it's all about making an equation, friends. Okay. Okay. Let's say I want to tell you one point here. Okay, I want to tell you one point here. Okay. Yeah. you know, two persons are in the ratio, let's say your age is 20. Your age is 20. Let's say your age is 20, guys. Okay. Let's say your age is 20. Okay. Your father is 50. Your father is 50. What is the difference? So it's you, it's your father. Okay, what's the difference here? What is the age difference, guys? 30 years. What is the age difference? Obviously 30 years. Yes or no? Okay, guys, tell me, after 10 years, what is your age? 30. What's your father age? 60. What's the difference? 30 again, obviously. After 10 years ago, what's your age? 10. What's your father age? 40. What is the difference? 30. So the point is this. This point is very, very important. Two persons' age difference is always the same. I am repeating. Two persons' age difference is always same. Okay. After birth, if you can check with your own relations, the age difference between you and your mother is same, you and your father is same, you and your sister is same, okay, you and your brother is same. So the point here is age difference between two persons is always same, guys. By this particular thing, we are going to solve so many questions in ages. Okay, so many questions in ages. Okay, yeah. So before getting to the topic, okay, before getting to the topic, uh, yeah, I would like to ask you a few questions. Okay, I would like to ask you a few questions. Yeah, please write down a question. Please write down a question. Yeah, 12 years ago, 12 years ago, 12 years ago, my age was 12 years ago. My age was 1/4 of the present age. 12 years ago, my age was 1/4 of the present age. 1/4 of the present age. Okay. So what is my present age now? Okay, what is my present age now? Yeah, what is my present age now? Yes. So, yeah. So what I am saying, so I don't know the present age. Let's say the present age is X. Guys, if the present age is X, 12 years, 12 years ago is how much, guys? Yeah, now you are X, 12 years ago must be what? Now you are 20. 12 years ago means what? 20 minus 12. That will give you 8, which means X minus 12. This is what? 12 years ago. And he's saying 12 years ago my age was 1/4 of the present age. Okay, so can I say 12 years ago is x minus 12, which is equals to 1/4 of the present age. What is present age? Ex. Okay, so if you calculate this, 4 will come this side, so 4x minus 48, which is equals to 3x. So from this you can say x is equals to what? So 3x will come this side, then x is equals to what, guys? 48. Yes or no? X is equals to what? 48. 4x. Yeah. So this is what? 12 into 4. 12 4 is a 48. And this is x only, no? I'm sorry. This is what? X only. Yeah, why 3x here? No, this is x only, right? 4 will come this side. So this is what, guys? X. X means 3x is equals to 48. Then x is equals to 48 by 3. Okay, 48 by 3. So then x is equals to what, guys? 16 years. Then x is equals to what? 16 years. Okay, then x is equals to what? 16 years. So the point is this. See, in this whole question, you are able to write this particular point. Once you are able to do this, your job is very easy. Your job is very easy. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to calculate it. Okay, it will take a lot of time to calculate this particular question. Okay, I hope everybody clear with this question. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, let's go to the next question. Please write down. Please write down. The age of Fatima 4 years ago was 4 times the age of Sachin. 4 times of Sachin's age. 4 times of Sachin's age. Fatima age 3 years ago was 3 times of Sachin's age. 3 times of Sachin's age. How many times Sachin's age was? How many times Sachin's age was Fatima's age? 5 years ago. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago. Yes. Yeah. So you don't know the Fatima's percentage and you don't know the Sachin's percentage. Let's say Fatima's present age is, Fatima's present age is F. Sachin's present age is what? S. If you look at the statement number 1, the age of Fatima 4 years ago, which means at present, this is what, guys? This is what? At present. This is what? At present. Okay. At present, F and S. Okay. So 4 years ago, 4 years back would be what? F minus 4. Sachin is also S minus 4. What is he saying? Yeah, 4 years ago, Fatima age 4 years ago, Fatima is, which is equals to 4 times. The Sachin age was the 4 times. Okay, so if you write this, F minus 4, which is equals to 4S minus 16. So from here you can write F is equals to minus 4 will go through this side. That will give you plus 4. So 4S minus 12. 4S minus 12. Okay. And in the question is only saying Fatima. Okay. Fatima is what? Yeah. 3 times, 3 years ago. So F minus 3, which is equals to how many times he's saying? 3 times of, Sachin's age 3 years ago. So which means that is equals to 3 times. So you can say F minus 3, which is equals to 3S minus 9. From this you can say F is equals to 3S minus 6. So you can say these two are equal, no? So if I equate that, 4s minus 12 equals to 3s minus 6. So 3s will come this side, 12 will go this side. So from this you can say s is equals to 6. Once you know s, substitute f, you will get f, right? So f is equals to 4 into 6 minus 12. So f is equals to 24 minus 12. Then f you can say it as what? 12. Okay. Yes, you can say it as what, guys? 12. Okay. And what is the question? How many times Sachin age was Fatima's age, 5 years ago? 5 years ago they are asking. Okay, 5 years ago they are asking. How many times Sachin age was Fatima's age, 5 years ago? So at present, what is Fatima? 12. Okay, what about Sachin? 6. So 5 years ago, can I say Sachin would be 1 year old, then Fatima would be 7 years old she is. So can I say definitely there is a 7 times? Yes or no? Obviously, 5 years back, 12 minus 5, 7, 6 minus 5, 1. How many times? So this is F and this is S. How many times? Obviously, 7 times. Obviously, what, guys? 7 times. So, guys, you need to understand one point here. Okay, one point. What is that particular point? It's all about making an equation. It's all about making an equation. Once you're done with your equation, your job is done. So it's all about, please make equations. Okay. If you don't make equation, it will take time to solve it. Okay. So please make equations, get your answer. Okay. Please make equations and get your answer. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Please write down. Please write down. At present, at present, at present, Anil and Bharat ages are in the ratio. At present, Anil and Bharat ages are in the ratio 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Okay, 3 is to 4. After 5 years, after 5 years, okay, after 5 years, their ages are in the ratio. After 5 years, their ages are in the ratio 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5. After 5 years, their ages are in the ratio 4 is to 5. Okay. So the question is find their present ages. Okay. Find their present ages. Yeah. Find their present ages. So, guys, whenever you come across this type of situations, guys, we'll do both the methods. First, we'll do in a traditional way, then we'll go for how to tackle these type of questions. So, Anil and Bharat, 3 is to 4. It doesn't mean that he is 3 years, he is 4 years. Anil is multiples of 3s, Bharat is multiples of 4. So, you can say their ratio is 3k by 4k. Okay. After 5 years, plus 5, plus 5. Okay, after 5 years, their ages are what? 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5. So make a cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15k plus 5 5s are 25, which is equals to 4 4s are 16k. 5 4s are what? 4 5s are 20. So, 20 will go this side, 15 will come this side. So you can say 5 is equals to k. Okay, so k is equals to what, guys? 5. But what do you want? You want at present ages of whom? A. So A at present is what? 3k. So 3k. B at present is what? 4k. So 3 into 5, that will give you 15. 4 into 5, that will give you what? 20. So their present ages are what, guys? 15, 20. After 5 years, what are their ages? 20 and 25. That's how this is present. This is after 5 years. After 5 years. Okay. So that's how you can end your answer. Okay. That's how you can end your answer. This is the traditional way of solving. This is what, guys? The traditional way of solving. Then what is the other way around? Okay. what is the other way around? So look at here, guys. What is the other way around? So at present and after 5 years. So at present, uh, present present ages are what, guys? 3:4. After 5 years, okay, after 5 years, their ages are what? you know this is what, after 5 years, there is a ratio. What is the ratio? 4:5. Guys, if you look at here, initially 3 parts, then 4 parts. How many parts increased? One. Initially 4 parts, then 5 parts. How many parts increased? One. Can I say, my one part which is equals to only 5 years? No. Yes or no? Then one part is 5 years. You want present. Present means what? So there are two persons, A and B. So A used to get 3 into 5. That will give you 15 years. Okay. If you want to be what, 4 into 5, that will give you what, 20 years. That will give you what, guys? 20 years. Okay. That's how you can give your answer. That's how you can give your answer. So 3 and 4. So difference is what, guys? Yeah, difference is one part. One part refers, why you are getting one part? Because of 5 years. So one part is 5 years, then 3 parts. 3 5s are 15. One part is 5 years, then 4 parts. 4 5s are 20 years. Okay, that's how you can get your answer. Okay, that's how you can get your answer. Okay, next question. Next question. Next question. Please write down. A father said to his son, a father said to his son, I was as old as you are at the present. I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. At the time of your birth. If at present father age is 40 years, if at present father age is 40 years, find the son's age, find the son's age 5 years ago. Find the son's age 5 years ago. Okay, so it's all about understanding the particular question. What he's saying, a father said to his son, okay, I was as old as you are at the present, at the time of your birth. Okay, so please understand, let's say, there are two persons, son and father. Son and father. So let's take, there are two situations at present. Okay, at present. What is saying? A father said to his son, I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. Let's say son is X. Okay, at present son is X. At the time of this person is born, okay, please apply yourself. Now you are 20, guys. Okay. At the time of your birth, your father is 20. That's what he's saying. At the time of your birth, your father is 20. So, which means, what is your father's age at present? It's going to be 40. Yes or no? It's going to be 40. Why? 20, and now you are going to add 20 years extra, because these 20 years, he's going to add 20 years. Yes or no? So, which means, when son is X, father is what? 2X. Father is what, guys? 2X. So, the point is this. Father is twice of his son. The total meaning is what? Father is twice of his son. And look at here, guys. Son is X, father is what? 2X. Okay, son is X, father is what? 2X. What he's saying in this particular question? Yes, at present father is what? 40, which means 2x is equals to 40, then x is equals to what? 20, which means son age is 20 at present. When son age is 20, whom age you want? Yes, son age I want. When? 5 years, 5 years ago. So which means 20 minus 5, that will give you 15 years. Okay, that will give you what? 15 years. So if you want to answer, this type of question, you need to understand only one point. Yeah, father is twice of his son. Once you got father is twice of his son, then you can get your answer very easily. Got it? Okay. So 2x, and that will give you 2x. So father is 2x, then son is x. You can get your answer. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, please write down. Two persons age differ by 16 years. Two persons age differ by 16 years. Okay. 6 years ago, 6 years ago, elder one was 6 years ago, elder one was three times to the younger one. Elder one was three times to the younger one. Find find their present ages. Find their present ages. Yes. So he's saying two persons are age differ by 16 years. Guys, I told you already. Whenever you come across, ages, I'm telling age difference is always same. Whether the statement is of two persons age difference is 16, which means always the difference is 16 years. That's what you need to understand. Okay, always the difference, which means what? 16 years. And he's saying 6 years ago, guys, 6 years ago, 6 years ago, the ratio was given. There is an elder one and there is a younger one. Yes, elder one is what? Three times to the younger one. If younger one is x, the elder one is what? 3x. Guys, tell me whether it is 6 years ago, 10 years ago, after 10 years, the difference must be same. So here also the difference must be same. What is the difference here according to x and 3x? Can I say the difference is 2x, which means the 2x value only 16 years, where 2x is 16 years, then x is what? 8. If you know x is what, you can figure it out. Elder one is 24 years and younger one is 8 years. 24 and 8 when? 6 years ago. But according to the question, at what time you want their ages? At present. So the present is going to be what, guys? Yeah, at present is going to be, yeah, so 24 plus 6. 24 plus 6. Okay. 24 plus 6. So percentage of their ages are what? There is an elder one and there is a younger one. So 24 plus 6 and 8 plus 6. So 24 plus 6 is what? 30. 8 plus 6 is what? 14. If you check it out, 30 and 14, the difference remains 16. Okay, the difference remains 16. So whenever you come across these type of question, verify the options. Guys, verify the options. Once you verify the options, the job is going to be easy. Please verify the option so that which difference is 16, that's going to be our answer. If there are more than two options which difference is 16, we can't do anything. Now, that's where also we can do it, with the ratios concept. Okay, but instead of checking all that, you will arrive at the answer by while solving in this method. Okay, while solving in this method. I hope you're clear with this all this stuff. Okay, let's go to the next questions. Yeah, here we go. You have your questions. Yeah, this is your question, guys. Okay. Yeah. So this is your question. A person's will increase the level. To learn, we have to increase the level. Yeah. So a person present age is 2 by 9th of the age of his mother. Okay, whatever may be the present age of that particular person, so his present age is what? 2 by 9th of the to his mother age. After 10 years, he will be 4 by 11th. Okay, 4 by 11th, the age of his mother. Okay, how old is the mother after 15 years? So the point is this: if you figure it out, the mother age at present, okay, and add 15, that's going to be a mother's age, right? Yes or no? So let's try to do this. Yeah. So basically the present age of age the present the person's present age, let's say there is a person, his present age is what? 2 by 9th of the mother's age. So from this, can I write the person and mother are 2:9 ratio? So you can say person and mother ages are in the ratio 2:9 only. Yes or no? Are you getting my point? 2:9. And after that, after 10 years, okay, after 10 years, okay, so this is what, guys? This is present. This is present. And after 10 years, is talking about after 10 years, then it's going to be what he will be, that person will be 4 by 11th of mother. So which means, can I say again, person by mother, which is equals to 4 by 11. So you can say, so this is at present after 10 years, after 10 years, after 10 years, yeah, after 10 years, their ages, you can write it as what? Yeah, what you can write? Uh, that person and mother will be 4 and 11. 4 and 11. So let me write it clearly. So present is 2:9, and after 10 years the ratio is 4:11. That's it. Look at here, guys. How many parts difference? Two parts. How many parts difference? Two parts. Can I say my two parts value only 10 years? Then one part will become what? 5 years. Whom age you want? Yeah, I want mother age when at present. If you know the mother age at present, so mother will be, the mother will be what? At present is what? 9 parts. So 9 into 5. 9 5s are what, guys? 45. But you need to add how much? You need to add 15, because after 15 years you want. So 45 plus 15, that will give you 60. You can figure it out from here also. How this is even after 10 years, no? So 11 5 is a 55, because I want after 15 years, means add 5. Okay, so 55 plus 5 will give you what? 60. 55 plus 5 will give you what? 60. Okay, that's how you can get your answer. Okay, that's how you can get your answer. Is this clear, everybody? Yeah. Okay. Just read the question, try to understand it. It's all about how you are writing these particular statements. Then after this, how you are making P by M is equals to 2 by 9, P by M, person, you can, that may be anything. And you have to figure it out. The difference is two parts. Okay, the difference is two parts. So this is about person, this is about mother. Okay, yeah, difference is two parts, but the two parts value is what? 10 years. When two parts is 10 years, then one part is what? 5 years. I want present is. So present is what? 9 into 5, 45. But I want when after 15 years. So 9 into 45 plus 15, that will give you what, guys? 60 years. That will give you what? 60 years. Is this clear, everybody? Yes, we'll go to the next one. Yeah. We'll go to the next question. Yes. So if you come across, if this is a question, yeah, ratio of the ages of A and B is 5 is to X. Okay, A is 18 years, A is 18 years younger to C. Okay, so whatever may be the C age minus 18 will give you A age. Very simple. Okay, after 9 years C will be 47 years old. Okay, after 9 years, C will be 47 years old. The difference between the ages of A and B is same as the age of C. Whatever may be the difference, so A minus B is equals to C. Okay, what is the value of X? What is the value of X? You know, it's all about understanding the situation. But look at here, A is 18 years younger to C. After 9 years C will be 47. So tell me at present what is C age? C will be, can I say, 47 minus 9? Yes or no? So 47 minus 9, that will give you what? 38 years. Yeah, obviously 38 years. But in the question saying what? A is 18 years younger to C. So which means what is A age? What is A age, guys? Yeah. What is A age? Yeah. So 18 years younger, which means 38 minus 18, that will give you 20 years. Yes or no? That will give you what? 20 years. Okay. That will give you what? 20 years. Okay. So A is what? 20 years. Okay. And he's saying the difference between the age of B, the difference between the ages of A and B is what? Yeah. So you can say A minus B, sorry, the difference between the ages of A and B, okay, is same as C age. Is same as what? C age, no? So A minus B, which is equals to C. A minus B, which is equals to C. But I know the C percentage. Look at here, guys. I know what is A percentage? 20. I don't know B. What is C percentage? 38. From this you can say 20. You are getting negative value, right? Yes or no? You are getting what? Negative value. But you can say A is to B is equals to what? 5 is to X. A is to B is equals to what, guys? 5 is to X. So from this you can write 20 by B, which is equals to 5 by X. Yes or no? 20 by B is equals to 5 by X. So 5 ones are 5 fours are. So from this you can write B is equals to 4X. Yes or no? B is equals to what? 4X. Yeah, b is equals to 4x. So you can put here as what? 4x. Yes or no? So in place of b, you can write it as what, guys? 4x. So if you write 4x here, then how the things are going to be happen? Yeah. So if you write 4x here, yeah, so the difference between A and B is saying, so why you are taking 20 minus 40? Why can't you take 4x minus, because age will not be negative, no? So that means you have to say B age is more. So 20, which is equals to what? 38. So from this you can say 4x is equals to 38 plus 20, then x is equals to 38 plus 20 divided by, this is what? Divided by 4. So 20, 30, 58 divided by 4. So from that you will get, because you want x, no? Okay, you want x. So 58 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 1 I left with. So 18, 4 4s are 16. I left with 2 5s. Then x is equals to what, guys? 14.5. Yeah. Whereas the difference between A and B, C was given, but if I am writing B here, I am getting B as a negative value, so B age will not be negative. So that's why this is go cancel, and I am left with what? B minus A, which is equals to only 38. How I got B? Yeah, A is to B is equals to 5 by X. A by B is equals to 5 by X. From this you can get B is equals to what? 4X. Okay, so you can take B as 4x, A as what? 2x. From that you will get x. What is x value, guys? 14.5. What is x value? 14.5. Okay, 14.5. Is this clear, everybody? Yeah. Yeah. So we'll go to the next question. Yeah. Pretty simple one, but you have to take, you can take a minus b, but you are getting negative. Value could not be negative, no. So there you need to realize that b minus a will come into the picture. 16 years ago, my uncle was 8 times older than me. After 8 years from now, 8 years from today, my uncle will be thrice as old as I will be at that time. Okay, I will be at that time. 8 years ago, what was the ratio of my age and my uncle age? Okay, my age and my uncle age. Okay, let's try to solve this. Yeah, so let 16 years ago, age of mine is x, so I don't know my age. Let 16 years ago, 16 years ago, the age of mine was x. So I can say uh, x. So x plus 24. Okay, x plus 24. Why I'm writing 24? This one is, let's say this is present. One is 16 years ago, after 8 years. So 16 plus 8, that will give you a 24. X plus 24 by, my uncle was 8 times. So if me is x, my uncle could be what? 8x. Okay. Okay, my uncle will be thrice as older. So that means, 8x plus 24, which is equals to 1 by 3. Which is equals to what? 1 by 3. So if you calculate this, 3x plus 72, which is equals to 8x plus 24. 24 this side, 3x this side, then 5x is equals to 72 minus 24, that will give you what? 48. Then x is equals to, you are getting points, 48 by 5, 5 nines are 45 and 6 are 30. Then x is what? 30. X is what? 30. So what do you mean by, what is my present age? Yeah, what is my present age? 16 years ago I assumed x. So present age must be, the present age of mine is what? According to the question, 9.6 plus 16. So present age of mine is what? 25.6. Okay. So what is the present age of uncle? Yeah. What is the present age of uncle, guys? Yeah. What is uncle? Uncle must be 8.8 into 9.6 plus 16. So if you multiply that, you are going to get 92.8. You are going to get what? 92.8. But you want ratio when 8 years ago you want ratio. So your percentages are this. 25.6 minus 8 will be 8 years ago. The required ratio. Okay, the required ratio, it's going to be 25.6 by 92.8 minus 8. So that will give you, 17.6. Here you're going to get, 84.8. Okay, 84.8. So 0 0 is going to be cancelled. Okay, 0 0 is going to be cancelled. So 11 ones 11. Okay, 11 ones 11. I left with 6. 11 6 66. But this is going to cancel with 11. No, maybe 4. After going to get 11 by 53 you're going to get. So the required ratio is what? 11 by 53. The required ratio is what, guys? 11 by 50. You can cancel with 2, 3 and all, finally you will get it what? 11 by 63. Okay, 11 by 63 is going to be our answer. So 11 by 63 is there. Yes, so first option. Okay, guys, it's all about how we are writing this. Okay, how you are writing this is a point. After getting that, the job is pretty easy. Okay, after getting that, the job is pretty easy, because from that you will get your x we got in decimals. That's where people get confused and stuck. Okay, so please don't stop there. Please continuation of solving is important, so that you will get x value is what? 9.6. After getting 9.6, you can get your percentage and you can get your uncle's percentage. After getting that, you want ratio which is 8 years ago, so from present you need to subtract 8. That's how you can end your answer. Okay, we will go to the next question. Yeah, some high level questions I understand, but you have to do it. Yeah, we'll try to solve the next question. The sum of the present ages of A and B is 11 times, okay, 11 times the difference of their ages. Okay, the sum will be 11 times, the sum which is equals to 11 times of their difference. Okay, so 5 years ago, 5 years hence, this is where I want to tell you something. Hence means what? Okay, please note and write. Hence means future after 5 years. So hence means what? After 5 years. Okay, so please underline this particular word. Okay, yeah, hence. Hence, 5 years hence, their total ages will be 13 times the difference of their ages. Okay, the total age is 13 times the difference of their ages. Okay, difference of their ages. So, what is the present age of the elder one? What is the present age of the elder one? Okay, guys, what is the present age of the elder one? So guys, let's try to write an equation. The sum of the ages, you can say there are two persons A and B. Their sum is 11 times of their difference A minus B. Okay, and 5 years in, after 5 years, so can I say then A age will be A plus 5. Okay, B age will be also B plus 5. Okay, which is equals to 13 times the difference of their ages. Okay, 13 times the difference of their ages, which means that time also A will be A plus 5, minus of B will also B will be B minus 5, that kind of stuff you are going to get. Yes or no? Okay, okay, so where you need to understand, here you can write it as what? A plus B plus 10, which is equals to 13 of 5 get cancelled. Yes or no? This is also A plus 5, this fellow B plus 5. Okay, so A plus 5, and here what? B plus 5, sorry, minus B plus 5. Before going to this particular step, please wait a minute. Now, why can't I do like this? I am doing mess here. I am taking a lot of time here. From this I can write A plus B by A minus B. Okay, which is equals to 11 by 1. Yes or no? Which is equals to what, guys? 11 by 1. So which means a plus b must be 11, a minus b must be what? 1. So that I can say, when they are 5:6 ratio, then only they will be, a is 5 and b is 6. Sorry, a is 6 and b is 5. Then only this logic will apply. If you took any other numbers, this logic will not apply. So from that I can say a and b are in the ratio 6:5, which means 6x and 5x. Okay, after getting this, after this particular thing, we can write our second statement. What? Yeah, after 5 years, so 6x plus 5 plus 5x plus 5, okay, which is equals to 13 times of their difference, which is 6x minus 5x. Okay, so 6x plus 5x plus 10, which is equals to uh, 13 into 6x minus 13 into 5x. So from that you need to figure it out. Okay, from that you need to figure it out. What is this value? Okay, okay. According to second condition, yeah, you are going to end up with like this. So after getting this, yeah, so you will get here. You need to figure it out. X value. So let me write. All x terms should be one. All are x only. So I can say this is what 11x. You can say this is what this is x only. Yes or no? So this is 13x and 11x plus 10 is equals to 13x. So from this you can write 2x is equals to 10, where x is equals to what? 5. Once you got x is equals to 5, whom age you want? What is the present age of the elder one? So what is the elder one? Yeah, elder one is what? What is the elder one? Yeah, so then elder one is going to be who is more age, so then a is the elder one, so 6 into 5, that will give you what? That I'm thinking that this is why, this is not why 6x minus x only x, no, so 13x, this is a good, this, please ignore this step. Yeah, so this is 11x plus 10, this will become 13x obviously, then x is equals to what? 5. X is equals to what, guys? 5. That's how you can end your answer. Okay, that's how you can end your answer. We'll go to the next question. Yeah, we'll go to the next question. Yeah. The average age of a husband, wife, and their son was 42 years. Okay, so three persons average is 42. So if you want to sum 42 into 3, okay, 42 into 3, okay. The son got married, and exactly after 1 year, one child was born to them. Okay, when child was became 5 years old, the average of the family become 36 years. So what was the age of bride at that time of marriage? Sorry, bride. Okay, bride. Yeah. So guys, there are three persons: father, mother, and son. Can I say their average is 42? So can I say father, mother, and son? Their average is 42. So can I say their sum is 14 to 3, 120, 126. Okay. Son got married exactly 1 year after, So let's say, father, mother, son. Okay, son, and daughter-in-law will also come, no? Then average will become daughter-in-law, and there was a child. There was a child. Okay, there was a child. Guys, wait a minute. Yeah, so when there was a child, the family, the age of the family, after 6 years, at present was given, you know after 6 years must be, 36 into 5, because average is 36 and there are 5 members, so 36 into 5, that will give you 180. That will give you what? 180. The age of the bride, after 6 years must be, okay, the age of the bride, after 6 years must be, yeah, so that's going to be what, guys? 180. Bride age after 6 years, 180. What I need to subtract? 126, plus 18 plus 5. Okay, then bride will be what? 180 minus, how much is this? 149. Then 31 years. Okay, age of, age of bride at the time, okay, at the time of marriage. At the time of marriage will be what? 31 minus 6. That will give you 25 years. Okay, that will give you what? 25 years. Okay, that will give you 25 years. Yeah. So initial sum is 126. After the child got, so why 6 years? Why I'm subtracting 18 here? Okay, why? Because there are three extra persons is there. The son and the one girl is coming to your family and the son. So after 5, 5 plus 1, 6 years means 3 years. So 3 is 18. So that's why 126 plus 18 plus 5, that's how you can end your answer. So answer is 25 years. 25 years. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. A says, if you reverse, if you reverse my own age, the figures represent my brother's age. He is of course senior to me. The difference between our ages is 1 by 11th of their sum. So A's brother's age is what? Okay, A's brother age is what? Guys, we can do in a regular way, but why can't I do with the options? But I want whom A's brother age. Guys, if A's brother age is 45, then A's age will be 54, no? But what he's saying in the question, he is senior to me, so this is not going to be your answer. Yes or no? So 45 is not going to be your answer. So we'll come to this 54. Yeah, if A's brother is 54, then A will be what? 45. Then A will be what? 45. Yeah. And what is saying? The difference. What is the difference here? The difference between our ages is 9, which is 1/11th of their sum. So 45 plus 54. So that will give you 9 is equals to 1 by 4 of, how much is this? 1 by 11, right? I'm sorry, 1 by 11. Yeah, 1 by 11. 1 by 11 of, how much is this? 110? 45, 99. Yes, 11 ones, 11 nines. Yeah, count. It's satisfying equation. Then the answer is what? 54. Guys, this is a good way to solve, these kind of questions. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to calculate this. So option verification is the best way of solving. Okay. So you can say 9 is equals to 9, that's going to be our answer. Okay, that's going to be our answer. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. L is as much younger than M. Okay, L is as much younger than M as he is older than N. If the sum of the ages of M and N is 60 years, what is definitely the difference between M and L's age? Okay, M and L's age. Guys, let me write. So from this you can write, M minus L, which is equals to L minus N. Yeah, look at here. L is as much younger than M as he is older than N. Okay, he is older than N. If the sum of the M and N, M plus N, what is saying? 60. So from this you can write M plus N, which is equals to 2L, no? But M plus N, what is saying? 60. So 60 is equals to 2L. So L is equals to what? 30. L is equals to what, you guys? 30. But the point here is this, you cannot calculate, you cannot able to find what? M. Why? Because if I substitute L here, there is one more link N. So what is the question? What is definitely the difference between M and L? He is asking definitely. So if I don't know the L, it may be L and M also. If I don't know the M, how can I figure it out the difference? I cannot figure it out the difference. So answer for this question is what? Cannot be determined. Why you are not able to solve this? Because you don't know the, guys, because you don't know the M age exactly. If you know the M age, you can figure it out. You know the M age? No, you don't know. So then you cannot figure it out. Okay, let's go to the next question. So answer for this question is what? Cannot be determined. Answer for this question is what, guys? Cannot be determined. Yeah, we'll go to the next one. Yes. If this is the question. Okay, if this is the question. Yeah. If 10 years is subtracted, okay, if 10 years is subtracted from the present age of, wait a minute. Yeah, if 10 years, yeah. So, what is the question? Yeah, if 10 years are subtracted from the present age of S and the remainder is divided by 6, then the present age of grandson FC is obtained. Okay, if FC is 2 years younger to Novi, whose age is 7 years, then what is Shermi's, present age? Yeah, it's all about, let's look at here. Epi age is 2 years younger to Novice, whose age is 7 years. So from this you can say E age is 5 years now, because 7 minus 2, 5 years. Yes or no? E age is what? 5 years. Let age X years. No, let's say X years. What is saying? 10 years are subtracted from the present age. X minus 10, subtract from the remainder, and the remainder is divided by, 6, then the present age of, yeah, so which means if I divide this with 6, I am going to get, the present age of FC. Okay, so what is present age of FC? 5, no? So x minus 10, which is equals to 6 fives are 30, then x is equals to what? 40, no? Yeah, that's it, guys. The question is very simple. So if you understand it carefully, it's look like a big one, but if you understand it carefully, the job is pretty easy. Okay, the job is pretty easy. Okay, the job is going to be pretty easy one. Okay, yeah. So we'll try to solve, one more question. Yeah, we'll try to solve, one more question. Yeah. So if the question goes like this, please write down the question. Yeah. If 3 times the sun's age in years, if 3 times of the sun's age in years include to the mother's age, the total is 75. So 3 times of the sun age and the mother's age, which is 75, and 2 times of the mother's age, 2 times of the mother's age is included to the sun's age, the total is 80. The total is 80. Total is 80. Find the sun's age. Find the sun's age. Okay, find the sun's age. Yeah. Find the sun's age. Find the sun's age. Okay. Find the sun's age. Yeah. What he's saying is, yeah. So let's say sun is A, mother is B. Okay. So 3 times of the sun age and mother age, that will give you 75. And what is the second statement he is saying? 2 times of the mother age. Okay, 2 times of the mother age, and if he included 2 times of the mother age, then sum will become what? 80. So it's a pretty eliminating B. So if you eliminate B, what you're going to do? Please multiply with 2. So that will become 6A plus 2B equals to 150. Here A plus 2B, which is equals to 80. So if I do 1 minus 2, it's going to be cancelled. So 5A, which is equals to 150 minus 80. 70, no? Yes or no? 150 minus 80, that will give you what? 70. When this is 70, then A age must be 70 by 5, that will give you 14 years. Okay, that will give you 14 years. So we can verify our answer. Okay, so substitute A value here, figure it out the mother age. Once you know the A age, definitely you can figure it out the mother age, you can verify your option. Okay, you can verify your option. Okay, you can verify your option. Yeah, we'll do one more question. Please write down. Please write down. Yeah. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Arun. His son Arun. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Arun's age. Okay, 2.5 times of Arun's age. Okay, 2.5 times of Arun's age. After further 8 years, how many times would he be of Arun's age? Okay, he will be of Arun's age. Okay, you know, interesting one. Yeah. So, guys, look at here. Father age is 3 times more. That's where you should be very clear. If Arun is X now, so Arun's father must be X plus 3X, which means Arun is X, so Arun father is what? 4X. That's what you need to figure it out. Okay. And what he's saying, guys, and what he's saying, uh, he would be, which means Arun's father would be 2.5 times. So can I say Arun father to Arun, the ratio I can write 4x by x. Okay, after 8 years, which means after 8 years plus 8, okay, he would be 2.5 times. So 2.5, can I write 5 by 2? Yes. Okay, 5 by 2 of what? 5 by 2 of what? Arun's age. What is Arun's age? X plus 8. Okay, x plus 8. Sorry, so this x plus 8 will go to that side, no? Yeah, because his father is 5 by 2 times of that. So if you calculate this, 8x plus 16, which is equals to 5x plus 40. So 5x will come this side. So 3x is equals to 40 minus 16, 32. Yes, sorry, 30, 40 minus 16, no? 34, right? Yes or no? Sorry, 24. 24. Then x is equals to what? 8. Then x is equals to what? 8. So he's asking further, how many times? 8 years further, which means 4x plus 8 years further, 16 by x plus 16. So their present ages are what? 8 fours are 8 fours are 32 plus 16 by 8 plus 16. So that will give you 4:1, right? Yes or no? Wait a minute. So this is how much? This is how much? 82 and 16 will give you what? 48. This is what? Yeah, this is what, guys? 24. So 24 means 2 times. 2 times. Okay, that father to that particular son is what, guys? 2 times. Yes or no? So 2 times will come into the picture. Okay, 2 times will come into the picture. Okay. So these are the different kind of questions which you encounter in ages topic. So ages is one of the important section while you are dealing with any competitive exams, like I told you earlier as well. So any company, if they want to recruit you, so definitely aptitude will come into the picture. So in aptitude test, definitely you will encounter ages problem. So these are the different varieties of ages problems. Okay, so you will encounter. So thanks a lot for being in my session, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.